Alright, so for this equation, we have fractions and all the denominators are the same. So the way I solve this one is first, I deal with the negative sign. So what do I mean by that? You see this first negative sign here? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that here on top. Yeah, we can do that. And erased it. And then you see this negative sign. I'll move that negative sign. I'll put that here and then just make it positive. So minus 1 is the same as plus negative 1. And then this letter A, I'm going to move that here. Okay. So the next step that I'm going to do is I will apply the multiplication property of equality and multiply everything by 5. Okay. Every term by 5. So meaning this will just be 2 times negative 2 over 5 equals 4 over 5 times 5 and plus negative a over 5 times 5. Now, what I'm going to do is I can just cancel this 5 here. So that will just give me negative 2. I'll cancel this 5 also. That's just going to give me 4. And I can cancel this 5, and that's just going to give me plus negative a. So now it's a lot simpler compared to the original problem, right? So I want to remove the 4 by using subtraction property of equality or the negative inverse of 4. So the answer is plus negative 4 on both sides. So this is going to be equal to 0 and this is going to be equal to negative 6 since both of them are negative equals negative a. And then finally we want to remove the negative sign of that a. So I will divide both sides by negative 1. So negative 6 divided by negative 1 is equal to positive 6. So a equals positive 6.